A good Erev Shabbos Nachamu, everyone. As we're sponsored by the Fisher family, Nishmas Basi Bas Rabbi Shlomo ben Avram Alevi, Perel Bas Ruvain. We're sponsored also Lili Nishmas David ben Chaim, Lufu Shalem for Yomis Mechai Yisor, Yaakov ben Basi Aleah, for the schus of Avram Yom ben Nishma Malki Hudis and family. We are sponsored by Yoel Klugman and family for their Panos Gzunta Nachas. We are sponsored Lufu Shalem for Moshe Meir ben Esther Fradel, for Yitzhak ben Tzia ben Dusha, Arya ben Rivka, for Hinda bas Chai Sarah, Rivka bas Shira Leah, Chana bas Sheshabina, and Meir ben Chai Sarah. They should have Refu Shalema b'Seich Sharchei Yisrael. Evrei Chatash and is Arvu be'Evrei Eilan. That's a problem. The limbs of a Chatash is supposed to be eaten and not put on the Mizbeach. And since they're not supposed to be put on the Mizbeach, they're really not supposed to be put on the Mizbeach, because we have a klal, Kol Shemimenu Le'ishin, Harihu B'Bal Taktiru. Whatever already went on the fire, the rest is not supposed to be on the fire. And we already put the emurim of the Chatash, the limbs of the Chatash are not supposed to go on the Mizbeach. Rebbe Eliezer says, nonetheless, Yitin Lamalam, put the whole mixture on top. What about the Evrei Eilah that are supposed to be eaten? V'roya aniyas b'sar achatas, and we view the b'sar achatas as if it's fuel, as if it's logs. Milmalan ki'ilu eitzim, as if it's fuel. Chacham say no. They employ the rule of kol shemimenu le'ishim. Once we already put some of it on the fire, harihu ba'bal taktiru. Literally, it can't be smoked up. And therefore, the whole mixture to uber tzarasan, it has to lose its form, which means you wait until it becomes disqualified as noiser the next morning, and then v'yetzer the beis hasreif, and we take it all out to the place of burning in one place in the Azara. Mishna tells us, Eivarin be'ivari balei mumin. If limbs of an oila get mixed up with limbs of a blemished oila, so now what do? So since midoraisa, it could be batal, even though it's a davar chashiv. So Rabbi Eliezer, krav roish echad mehem, if im karav roish echad mehem, if a head of one of them was already offered, we could assume that head was the one of the balei mumim, and then yikruvu kol haroishim. You could offer up all the roishim. Kroi shel echad mehem, a set of 4 legs were already offered up. Then yikruvu kol hakra'ayim. Then you could offer up all the legs. However, you should offer up 2 sets at one time, the Rav says. In other words, 8 legs, to make sure that you're not putting on the Baal Mum alone. The Chacham say, afilu karvim kulam chutz ve'echad mehem. Even if you offered all the heads except for one, that head might be the Baal Mum, and therefore yetzer the beis hasreifa. It should be taken out to the place of burning and burnt. Rabbi Say, we want to thank you for joining us and remind you that the Daf Yomi on Motzei Shabbos is at 10:30. Also, during the week, this week, the Daf Yomi is earlier at 8:30. I also want to remind you that if you would like to sponsor any shiurim or send money for supporting one of these shiurim, my Zelle is to my email, rmmwsi@aol.com, rmmwsi@aol.com. Some people feel I can't afford to sponsor a share, but if you want to sponsor it, even mix us, rmmwsi@aol.com. Thank you very much for coming, and have a wonderful Shabbos.